Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play Legend of Mushroom on PC or laptop. First up, open your browser and search for BlueStacks, and then go to the BlueStacks main page. Right from here, so go to this website. And then here on the BlueStacks webpage, you want to go here on the search box and type right here, Legend of Mushroom. Now here in this page, as you can see, you just have to click on the button play on PC, download and play. So click this button here. So once you click on this one, then an exe file shows up and you should have to save that to your folder or save it to your computer. And then click save right here. And then once installer is done, so click on the exe file and then open this one. So it will actually automatically download the BlueStacks 5 on your computer. Once done, click on launch button and it will open up your BlueStacks. So you should have to wait for a few seconds here. So there you have it. Now here on your BlueStacks, so all you need to do here, you just need to find the game right here. So basically, I'm going to the Google Play Store right here and search for Legend of Mushroom. So there you go. So click on this one. And then here, I'm going to click on Install from Google Play, Download and Play. Then click Install from Google Play. Then it will automatically open your BlueStacks app player. And then here, go to the search box and type Legend of Mushroom. So once you sign in with your Google Play Store, you want to go and install this game. So as you can see, click on this Legend of Mushroom. And then here you can now start to install this on your PC. So in my case, as you can see, this is actually not available now in my country, but basically you can check your computer or your region or your country if it's allowing you to download this game. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.